Good morning, students. So, in this video, we are going to learn Vidhi Vakya, imperative sentences. In previous video, you would have understood the meaning of imperative. Sometimes we ask somebody to do any work. It may be as an order or as a request. When we ask youngers to do any work, we can order them. But whenever we ask something to do for elders, so we can request them. So we've seen already the rules. So let's see some more example sentences in that. Here you can see the picture and you can understand the meaning of sentences. कमला तुम क्या करती हो? कमला क्या करती हो? Present tense. Already you know the rules. तुम क्या करती हो? What do you do? मैं गीत सुनती हूँ. I listen the song. Sun means hear or listen. आओ ललिता, come ललिता, बैठो, sit down. तुम भी गीत सुनो. You also listen the song. वहाँ देखो, look at there, watch there, see there. मास्टर साहब आते हैं. मास्टर साहब, मास्टर is coming. आइए मास्टर साहब. So we can request the master to get inside. आइए मास्टर साहब, we are welcoming. Please come, sir, please come. अंदर आइए, please get inside. आप कुर्सी पर बैठिए. You sit on the chair. Please sit on the chair. राजू यहाँ आओ. राजू come here. मास्टर साहब के लिए फल लाओ. लाओ bring. फल लाओ bring fruits. For master. के लिए means for. Look at the word. के लिए means for. Master साहब के लिए means for master. ललिता के लिए मिठाई लाओ. You bring sweets. मिठाई sweets. Please bring sweets for ललिता. मास्टर साहब को फल दो. Give fruits to master. Do means give, not to. Do means as a verb, give. लीजिए मास्टर साहब. Please take master. आप फल लीजिए. You please take fruits. Take ललिता. लो means take. तुम मिठाई लो. You take sweets. मास्टर साहब. सर, मास्टर, आप चाय पीते हैं या कॉफी? आप चाय पीते हैं या कॉफी? There is a doubt. So we are asking, do you want to drink tea or coffee? मैं दूध पीता हूँ. I drink milk. मैं चाय या कॉफी नहीं पीता. I do not drink tea or coffee. राजू, मास्टर साहब को गरम दूध दो. राजू, please give hot milk to master. गरम means hot. Look at the word. गरम, दूध. दूध means milk. ललिता को गरम कॉफी दो. Give hot coffee to ललिता. दो means give. लीजिए मास्टर साहब. Please take master. आप दूध पीजिए. Please you drink milk. लो ललिता. Take ललिता. तुम कॉफी पियो. You drink coffee. Now there is a doubt whether the milk is cool or hot. So क्या दूध ठंडा है? Is the milk cool? नहीं, no. गरम है. It's hot. मास्टर साहब, आप एक हिंदी किताब दीजिए. मास्टर, you please give a Hindi book. हिंदी किताब. किताब means book. आप आराम कीजिए, अब आप आराम कीजिए. Now you please take rest. आराम कीजिए, take rest. Please take rest for elders. Okay. Now it's a time to homework. So here there are 5 questions and some answers given as an option. You should choose the correct option for the fill in the blanks. तुम अंदर आओ, आइए, जाइए. You should choose correct option. Sarala, तुम रेडियो डैश. रेडियो means रेडियो. सरला, you रेडियो. बैठो, पढ़िए, सुनो. आप कुर्सी पर डैश. देखो, बैठिए, लाओ. तुम गर्म पानी डैश. पीओ, गाओ, सुनिए. दादाजी आप आराम डैश. पढ़ो, जाओ, कीजिए. So here there are 5 questions. So please complete the exercise and write in classwork. And whatever new words described in this lesson, so please you write words and meanings and copy in classwork. So that is your homework. Dhanyavad.